What is good, y'all? We got the Alibaba carbon tips and I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing. We're gonna go put them on real quick. And this fucking dumbass on the bike. But we about to unbox them, about to take them to the shop and get them put on. They're way bigger than these, but so yeah.
Yo, this shit is fucking huge!
What do you mean by that?
They put tape over the M. We gotta take that shit off. Oh my god, bro. Dude, that shit is sick. Oh my god, this thing is massive. It's like a baseball in my hand. Yo. Oh my god. The other one open. Yo, these were only $68 shipped on AliExpress. Y'all need to start buying all your carbon parts from AliExpress, because I can get the same ones on a US based dealer for over 150 bucks. And these only took 2 weeks to get here. Dude, these are sick. Oh my god. They're massive. I'll just show y'all a comparison. That's the stock one. I could literally fit the inlet inside of here. Like, dude, this is gonna look sick. Oh my god, bro. They're huge. Yeah, I'm about to go to the exhaust shop and get those put on, and then I'm gonna get the mid muffler that's in the middle of the car taken out, because currently all I have is a resonator delete. So I'll get the mid muffler taken out and those added on. We'll get some sound clips after, and yeah, hopefully it'll finish up this back end and look a lot more aggressive. Alright, so we're on the way to the shop right now. If y'all ever need carbon, need any type of small stuff for your car, AliExpress is the plug. It's literally the same stuff that but companies based out of the US use. They just drop ship it and ship it to you from their website, and they upcharge way more. It's not worth it. Those tips would be over about $200 if I bought them from a US company. But I waited. Honestly, shipping isn't even that bad either. I see a lot of people saying they don't want to buy off AliExpress or Alibaba because of shipping. It literally only took barely 2 weeks, which really isn't even that bad. I think it's more like a week and a half. And I mean, I guess it depends on what you order. Carbon hood obviously would take longer. I would expect like 2 months on that, but these carbon tips, 60 bucks shipped. It's really not a bad deal. But yeah, we're about to go get them put on.
I thought you were gonna do it again real quick.
I got Alright, we just got it done. Sounds pretty fucking good, I can't lie. This is crazy.
This shit sounds pretty good.
That shit sound good?
Yeah, if you want, we can go down this way. Just follow me.
Alright, bet. Yeah, that's his car up there, 340. We got the little 440, get a little PLV action. Oh my god, bro, it feels so good. Yo, this shit is crazy. Oh my god, bro. Yo. Alright, y'all, we gonna end the video right there. Appreciate y'all for watching. I'm really satisfied with this setup now. So all I did take out was the middle muffler again, so it's straight piped all the way back to the rear muffler. Feels so good. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned. We got other meets, other stuff going on this weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.